Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. Today I am going to start a new chapter in English grammar, that is chapter 19, position words, prepositions. Now the first thing is, what are prepositions? A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Okay. Now there are so many prepositions, but you have to learn some few of them. Okay. The first is on. So on is used to describe the position of something that is resting on the surface of something. Okay. So on is describe the position of something that is resting on the surface of something. Let's see the example. The remote is on the cabinet. Okay. The remote is on the cabinet. Next preposition is in. In is used to describe the position of something or someone that is inside an enclosed space of something. Okay, let's see the example. The apple is in the basket. Okay, the apple is in the basket. Next is under. Under is used to describe the position of something or someone that is below or lower than something else. See the example. The mango is under the tree. Okay, the mango is under the tree. Next is behind. Behind is used to describe the position of someone or something that is at the back of something. Okay, let's see the example. The tree is behind the well. The tree is behind the well. Next is at. At is used to describe the definite point of time or to show a particular place. Let's see the example. He is good at singing. I will meet you at 9 p.m. There were hundreds of people at the park. Next is near. Near is used to describe the position of something or someone that is not far away in distance from something else. Okay, that is not far away. Okay, let's see the example. The ball is near the table. Okay, the ball is near the table. Let's see one question from book from page number 67. Fill in the blanks with suitable position words. Okay, so you are having the prepositions here. By this you have to fill the blanks. Just see the picture carefully and then give your answer. Okay, where is Prem? He is sleeping on a bed. Okay, and next is, where is the bed lamp? So it is near the bed. Where are the books? Okay, here are the books. They are on the table. Next is, where is the cat? So it is under the table. Next is, where is the bat? So bat, it is behind the door. Number 6 is, where is the ball? It is on the floor. Okay. Next is, where is the picture? So it is on the wall. Okay. So student, do it by yourself. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.